Solved how to fix SteamVR not working on Windows. 1. Change the PC power plan. 2. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Adjust the NVIDIA settings. 3.1 Add the Steam application into Manage 3D settings list. 3.2 Set it to prefer maximum performance. 4. Run Steam as an administrator. 5. Disable SteamVR add-ons. Path, SteamVR settings, -startup/shutdown tab, -manage add-ons. 6. Opt into SteamVR beta. 7. Disable Steam in-game overlay.